Come and join us for dinner dito sa isa sa mga recently na nagte-trending na napakagandang restaurant dito sa Pampanga. Alam niyo ba, right after kong mag-graduate ng college, ang naging bisyo ko ay mag-travel ng malala. As in, minsan 2 to 3 flights ang nakapending ko per month. And whenever I meet travelers from other provinces, tatanungin nila ako saan ba magandang magpasyal sa Pampanga. And honestly, dati wala akong masagot. Pero ngayon iba na, excited na akong sagutin yung mga tanong na yan. Kasi nagsulputan yung mga naggagandahan nating staycation and restaurants, tulad na lang nitong Pinya Kitchen and Coffee. Located yan sa Sapang Bato, Angeles City at nasa Google Maps din sila. Open daily from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. At yung unang-una naming tinikman ay itong bulalo kasi amoy pa lang nakakatakam na. Syempre meron yung bone marrow, tapos yung meat and yung cartilages, sobrang lambot. And then the broth is very flavorful. Dito pa lang sa bulalo talagang na-impress na si Papa. Meron din tayo nitong ensaladang pako na ang laki-laki ng serving at ang sarap ng dressing nito. Perfect siyang isabay dito sa pangmalakasan nilang pata sisig. And I mean, girl, this sisig is spot on. Ang dami niyang crispy bits from the pata and it's very savory. Up next naman, ito yung beef wagyu burger with fries at ang cute ng pink bun. Lumamig na to bago ko natikman dahil nga sa kakapicture namin, pero still very juicy yung wagyu patty and it's very flavorful. Ito yung signature drink nila kasi nga, well, pinya, tapos kulay pink, tapos ang dami niyang laman, very fruity and refreshing. Tatlo na nga kami nag-share dyan ni Mama at Papa. Ito naman, bulaklak ng kalabasa yan na may laman na meat sa loob, tapos lightly battered and deep fried. Very enjoyable siya na pika-pika or pwede mo ring ulamin. Ito naman, Korean style chicken. It's a mix of sweet and tangy at may saktong kick ng anghang. Meron din tayong virgin piña colada. It's a mix of pineapple and coconut. Tapos ito naman yung sisig pizza. Lasang-lasa mo yung pork sisig na merong calamansi under a blanket of melted cheese. Tapos meron siyang light drizzling of a soy sauce reduction na medyo sweet and citrusy. This naman is their signature shrimp fried rice served in a pineapple bowl and garnished with fried onions. Napaka-loaded nito, kanin pa lang, ulam na. Up next is this amazing Tuscan salmon in that creamy white sauce. Although I think mas magbabrighten yung flavor niya with a fresh squeeze of lemon juice. For dessert naman, we're having Nutella pizza. Nag-complement yung pagka-chewy ng dough nila, tapos sakto lang yung Nutella kaya hindi sobrang tamis. And then merong fresh mangoes and pineapples. We also ordered some seafood arrabbiata na hindi tinipid sa seafood and it's properly seasoned. We also had some green mango shake and sangria. At dahil birthday week pa rin ni Papa, meron ulit tayong paandar. After kumain, syempre ang tenders maghahanap ng kape, hot sea salt latte kina Mama. Ako naman, I tried their affogato which is so good. And then sa iced coffee, ang sarap ng honey sea salt at saka yung Biscoff. Kung naghahanap kayo ng mga very classy na restaurant for special occasions with family, loved ones, and friends, sobrang okay na option itong Pinya Kitchen and Coffee both sa ambience, food, and drinks.